All right, welcome back to There Is No America Without Erica. We all need a little Erica in our life. So I need to tell you about a case that should make every single one of you stop and go, hold up, what the hell just happened? Patrick Tate, Adamiak, I can never pronounce his last name, I'm sorry. Active duty Navy, master at arms, no criminal record, and right now he's sitting in federal prison with a 20-year sentence. 20 damn years. Not for hunting anyone, not for committing some violent crime, not for using a weapon against anybody. This entire case comes down to NFA charges tied to what were parts kits, demoed components in, and that's not spin, that's what this case is actually about. Now, before we go any further, quick plug, because this channel doesn't run hopes and dreams. If you want to support what we're doing, head over to onlytacticalfans.myshopify.com. We've got MREs, tourniquets, medical gear, real stuff you should actually have, not just throw money at a creator nonsense. If you don't have any tourniquets yet, you could fix that. It's literally one of those cheapest, smartest things you can own. And I seriously appreciate you guys. This is what keeps everything going. And all right, let's get back to the video. All right, anyways, so here's what actually happened. The government came in and said, these are machine guns. These are destructive devices. These are illegal. But the reality of what was being sold, parts kits, demoed items, inert or non-functional pieces, collector stuff that people have been trading for years. And somehow that turns into a 20-year federal sentence. That's the part that should make you stop, because this wasn't about someone running around with a working machine gun hurting people. This was about how far the government can stretch definitions. What counts as a machine gun, what counts as a destructive device, and how easily something that is not actually functional can get treated like it is. Now here's where people get it twisted. They think, oh, the courts will fix it. No, that already happened. The Fourth Circuit looked at this case and yeah, they knocked out one count on a double jeopardy issue. Cool. That doesn't fix the problem because everything else upheld, conviction stand, sentence still massive, that door is basically closed. So now we're not talking about a legal fight anymore. We're talking about clemency. And if you don't know what that means, here's a simple version. The courts are done. The president is the last shot. That's it. And let's be real for a second. Clemency is rare. Firearm cases, rare. Machine gun / NFA cases, those are usually the ones they never touch. So yeah, this is a long shot, but it's not impossible. And this is exactly the type of case where it exists for a reason. Because look at the facts. First-time offender, military service, no victims, no violent conduct, and a 20-year sentence tied to items that were not being used to hurt anyone. That's not normal. That's not reasonable. That's exactly the kind of situation where people go, yeah, something went way too far here. And right now there is an active letter campaign going on. People are writing the White House, writing the office of the pardon attorney, because at this stage, attention matters, pressure matters, volumes matter. And I'm going to say this as clear as I can. My husband would still be sitting in prison right now if he didn't get his first step back. That one break, that one chance, that's the difference between coming home and losing years of your life. This guy, he got 20. He doesn't get the automatic second look. He doesn't get a guaranteed way back. If nothing happens here, he just sits. So yeah, you can watch this and go, that's crazy, or you can actually do something. Write a letter, make your voice heard, because this is one of those situations where if people stay quiet, nothing changes. And no, you don't have to be a lawyer. You don't have to write something fancy. Be respectful, honest, say why it matters. Why it matters. That's it. And that's where I'm going to leave this. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about one person. This is about what happens when definitions get pushed too far and nobody steps in to stop it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think below. And if you want to support the channel, head over to onlytacticalfans.myshopify.com. And also, if you were going to do some Amazon shopping, you can click the link down below. And even when you click that link, it goes to our store. You don't have to buy anything that's in our store, just the shopping you're already going to do. We get a little kickback, and it does help. And I appreciate you guys more than you know. And seriously, if this bothers you, don't just sit there and watch it. Do something. Okay? All right. See you in the next video, guys.